Hey guys, brief announcement from me just to explain what's been going on with the channel, what's happening with me right now, and what's coming up in the near future. So recently I released Arrowbound. It's on the Google Play Store right now, and you can play it for free if you have an Android device. I will be updating the game over the next few weeks with new levels, basically until I get bored or you get bored. Since then, I did begin working on Insignia again, and I plan to return to it. However, I was recently offered a really awesome opportunity to work on an animation that's pixel art for a really big brand that I can't really talk about here, but I've been able to share it on the stream. So if you watch my stream, you'll be able to see me working on it. That project will last until October 26th. It's super intensive and I can't really take the time to make tutorials for you guys in the meantime. So please sit tight and I will be back producing videos for the channel sooner than you can say things that take about a month's worth of time to say, because I'll be done by the 26th of October. Today is the 26th of September, so 4 weeks from today. Following that, we'll be returning to our regular schedule, and I look forward to sharing that time with you. Until then,